Hello dear student, this is Rishi Singh and you are watching me on our YouTube channel St. Xavier's School Hardoi. Student, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos and notifications. Students, today we will study English literature and in this we will study the poem From a Railway Carriage. It has been written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Students, now let us learn word meanings. Hedges, a boundary that is formed with the help of bushes. It means a boundary which is made of bushes. Ditches, channel that is there on sides of roads mainly used for carrying away excess water. It means pits or gutters alongside the road to carry away excess water. Driving rain, fast or heavy rain. It means very heavy rain. Clambers, moves using hands and feet in an awkward way. It means moving in a peculiar way with the help of hands and feet. Scrambles, climbing clumsily using feet and hand. It means to climb up with the help of feet and hands. Brambles, a type of prickly shrub. It means it is a kind of shrubs which can prick. Tramp, a person without a home who moves from one place to another, typically in search of food and shelter. It means a homeless person who moves here and there to get food and shelter. Lumping, to put people or things into the same group although they do not really belong together. It means putting different types of things in the same group. Glimpse, a view that one can see for a very short period of time. It means to see very quickly. Students, now let us know about the poem. Student, this is the poem From a Railway Carriage and this poem has been written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Students, all of you are supposed to learn 8 lines of the poem by heart. Now I am going to explain theme of the poem. Students, all of you might have traveled by a train. You know students, in our childhood days, we all had a fascination towards traveling in a train. We had this fascination because of the length of the train and the sound produced by its wheels. You know students, the sound produced by its wheels is very melodious and musical to listen. So students, all of us like to travel by a train when we were a child. Students, in this poem the poet R.L. Stevenson describes his thrilling journey in a train and the scenes that he saw then. Students, now I am going to explain central idea of the poem. It is divided into two parts. Part 1 and Part 2. Traveling in a train is a great source of pleasure, happiness and excitement for children. In the poem, the poet describes what he sees from a fast-moving train. When children travel by a train, they get a chance to see beautiful things and scenes of nature. These beautiful things and scenes of nature fill them with great pleasure and joy. The poem is about the experience of a railway journey of a boy who is poet of the poem. In the poem, the poet R.L. Stevenson describes his thrilling journey in a train. The poet explains the train's speed and the natural scenes which he sees from the railway carriage. He compares the speed of the train with the way the fairies fly and the movement of the witches. The poet says the train moves faster than them. The movement of the train seems as if the soldiers are moving on the battlefield. As the train speeds by, he sees beautiful flowers, painted railway stations, children, tramps, men and women. The train leaves everything behind itself and keeps on moving on its track. The beautiful things and scenes of nature give him great pleasure and happiness. The poet concludes his poem by analyzing that the scenes which he had seen through the window of the train would never come back to him again. Students, the topic ends here, and I am going to give you a reminder once again that if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos and notifications. Thank you for being with us.